Rapid-efficient CNC numerical control machining, the engine of efficient production. Raw materials are quickly transferred to the processing area. Efficient startup stems from an orderly process. Multiple rapid-efficient devices are processing simultaneously, and the logistics is smooth. Cooperate in the operation with efficiency being the top priority. Operators are skillfully operating and changing tools quickly. With rapid-efficient exquisite skills, production is accelerated. Rapid-efficient engineers are commissioning CNC machining equipment.
Hear the crowd go.
Rapid-efficient engineers tool commissioning.
Hear the crowd go. Hear the crowd go.
Rapid-efficient staff inspects parts. Rapid-efficient parts show.
Hear the crowd go.